National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay and the Stalwart Bank National Marine Sanctuary, Massachusetts Bay and Ipswich Bay until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm, capable of producing winds 34 knots or greater in small hail, located over Ocean Bluff, Grand Truck, moving east at 25 knots. The strong thunderstorm will be near Ocean Bluff, Grand Truck around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday evening 4.